world, it's Emmy, and today we are going to review the Meijer Beauty Box. I know last video was reviewing, I believe it was the Fall Beauty Box, but this one doesn't have a season. So I'm going to open it up and show you what's inside. I'm going to open up the box. Okay, so it opens like this. So the first item we have in the box is the coupons for the things inside in case I like them and want bigger versions. And then there's the tissue paper, and here's what's inside. So first, we have hand sanitizer, which I definitely still cannot get enough of right now. And we have a hydrating gel cream from Burt's Bees. Okay, so you put this on your skin. That was informative. I'm sure you already knew that. We've also got a super repair shampoo. My hair is looking rather rough, so it would definitely benefit from this. And there are two of them, which is nice. We also have a Hydro Boost Hydrating Cleansing Gel. So this is a soap to wash your face. And this is a toner. So you'd like dab it on to like a cotton ball and like dab it on your face. Also got some little packets of things as opposed to just the bottles. We've got some hair serums and another leave-in hair moisturizer. So this seems to be moisturizers and conditioners, skincare. And there's an important fact sheet about sun safety, how to determine if you have skin cancer. Yeah, I guess this is a useful little book. And that's it. So overall, for $5, I think this was a very good purchase, and I'm going to really enjoy trying all this stuff out. Thank you for watching. Bye!